Hey my Legion, how y'all doing today? We're here today to review Dark Tagnan Uncured Smoked Duck Bacon. John got this at Wegmans. How much was that for?
$11.99.
$11.99.
That's one of the Musketeers, I believe.
Musketeers. Oh, cool.
Tagnan. What's that one?
I
can't remember how you say DR. Your viewers will tell us how.
Okay.
No, that's not how you say it. Okay, I'm gonna go cook it up while Jason does some other reviews and.
Awesome.
See how it tastes. I never had duck bacon. And
I had duck bacon before. Alright. Okay, here's the look at the duck bacon. I mean, it was dark. I mean, the meat was dark already, so. I cooked it right there. Try it out. Like I said, it has some pop to it.
What do you think?
That's good. Very meaty though. That's good chew to it. Wow. That's one piece right here. Look at that. That's really good. Hey, 10 out of 10.
Yeah.
$11.99 for half a pound. It should be good. I hope it's good. Thank you, John, for getting this.
Yep.
This is wonderful. I really like it.
I like it too.
Until next time, everybody, please take care of my Legion. Awesome.